Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to add Hulu to your Google TV device step by step. This method works on most Google TV devices, including Chromecast with Google TV and Google TV-powered smart TVs. Step 1. Turn on your Google TV device and make sure it is connected to the internet. From the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the Apps tab at the top of the screen. Step 2. In the Apps section, scroll to the right and select Search. You can type using the on-screen keyboard or press the voice button on your remote and say Hulu. Step 3. When Hulu appears in the search results, select it to open the app page. Here, you will see app details such as ratings, screenshots, and the install option. Step 4. Select Install. The Hulu app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This process may take a few seconds depending on your internet connection. Once the installation is complete, select Open to launch Hulu. You can also access the app anytime from the Apps section on your Google TV home screen. Step 6. When Hulu opens, choose Log In if you already have an account. You can sign in using your email and password or activate your device by visiting the activation page shown on your screen from a phone or computer. Step 7. If you don't have a Hulu account, select Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions to create a new subscription. Step 8. After signing in, you can start browsing shows, movies, and live TV content on Hulu. For quicker access in the future, you can move the Hulu app to the front of your apps list or add it to your favorites. That's all you need to do to add Hulu to your Google TV device. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more step-by-step tech guides and tutorials.